Hello, 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 and welcome to Less is More, where we talk about personal credit and business credit. If you haven't subscribed yet, please take a minute to go on ahead and press that subscribe button and make sure you like, subscribe, and you comment. Also, when you comment, if there is something that you would like for me to discuss when it comes to the Navy Federal Credit Union, please make sure that you make that comment in your comments below, and I will definitely read all the comments and I will respond. I also will take into consideration your request on what you would like for me to discuss in my channel. Because again, this is a community and I want to hear what you have to say. I want to know what you need. I want to know what are the things that you're looking for, because I'm here to serve. I'm here to serve you and I'm here to assist you when it comes to your credit journey and your financial uh, success. Okay. So, without further ado, today my subject is about the infamous Navy Federal Credit Union product changes or product swaps. Okay. This was tested and proven. I actually did it. So, what I'm going to talk to you about today is not what I heard, it's not what I saw in other videos, it's actually something that I did. I have been with the Navy Federal Credit Union since 2008. And as we all know, it is the largest credit union in the United States. It has the best customer service, it has the best products. I have tested and actually tried their mortgages. Best mortgage loan that I have ever had was through Navy Federal Credit Union. I have had auto loans with them, plenty of auto loans, no issues, probably the lowest interest rates. I currently have 3 credit cards with them. I have a checking account with them. I have a savings account. So basically, I have tried all of their products. And I cannot say or speak any higher or highly about the Navy Federal Credit Union because they are the go-to when it comes to credit unions. And of course, they are the house of high credit limits. You're not going to get that anywhere else. And of course, their customer service is I have not come across another bank or credit union that has the best customer service. I also want to note that if by any chance you're making comments in this channel underneath this video, I just want to make sure that if anyone is out there requesting for you to pay them or Cash App or Venmo or Zelle them any type of funds, that is not me. I don't care if they use a photo of me. That is not me. I do not ask for or actually have any type of system set up for receiving payments from anyone. So at this time, I am not offering that. I probably will offer that later on, but as of right now, I'm not offering it. So make sure that you do not get scammed. Be careful. They are all out there. Okay. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the product swap. So I went ahead and I just emailed the Navy Federal Credit Union and I asked them a simple question. Here's the video of my actually not a video, it's a picture of my actual conversation with them. Basically what I stated was I currently have the platinum credit card and I am interested in doing a product swap or change, and I would like to have the flagship signature Visa signature credit card. I did that one day. The next day, I received a response from them pretty much. And as you can see right here, it states that I can go ahead and do the product change, that my APR will, they gave me what the APR will be. And then what I did was I actually went back into my statement to see what my current APR was with my platinum card. And it was the new APR is going to be lower. Okay. So basically, that whole thing of wait a year is not true. You can really do a product swap or product change anytime. You can message them. I would definitely say a message is probably easier and better than an actual telephone call. I swap from the platinum to the flagship. You could swap from the platinum to the more rewards. Um, Sometimes the APR remains the same because the platinum is a MasterCard. I will not maintain the same card number, but normally when you swap a Visa for a Visa, you will keep the same card number. The product itself would change and the card itself would change. Um, you do need to keep in mind that the product changes are not eligible for the promotions offered for new applications. And when I say new applications, keep in mind that by you doing a product change or product swap, you are not getting a hard inquiry when it comes to having a new credit card. So that's really a plus when it comes to being able to do a product change. Before you accept the actual product change or product swap, make sure that you cancel or transfer any automatic payments that you may have going to your previous card. Um, I guess as stated earlier, the APR may change and not always, but in my case, it went down. So I really appreciate that. Your rewards that you currently have with your current credit card may not transfer over. So you're either going to have to use your current reward points that you have, or you can transfer them to another one of your Navy Federal Credit Union credit cards. Um, like I said, the MasterCard, when you swap from a MasterCard to a Signature Visa card, the account number will change, but the history will remain the same. So therefore, you won't show as if you're having a brand new credit card. It will only show as the same history. You still have the balance transfers are still available, and you can still request the interest rate decrease every year. I don't know if you're familiar with that. With the Navy Federal Credit Union, I have a video out there of things that you did not know about them. But that's one of the things that you can request every year, as long as you have a positive account and everything has been on the up and up. You are eligible to call the Navy Federal Credit Union and ask them for a interest rate decrease. A lot of people don't know that, but you can go ahead and do that. And you can still do that with your new credit card as well. Another thing that you can do with these credit cards is you can move your credit limits in between cards. So let's say you have a Go Rewards card, Cash Rewards, and now you're going to have the brand new flagship credit card. Let's say that you have 25,000 on your Cash Rewards and you want to move that over to your flagship. You are authorized to move that over. You can move 20,000 into your flagship, and now your flagship goes from 25,000 to 45,000 because you moved 20K from your Cash Rewards over to your flagship. So you are definitely able to move credit limits. One thing that I would definitely not do is do not transfer your entire credit limit out from a one credit card into another one, because then you run the chances of the Navy Federal Credit Union pretty much closing that account in which you are taking away the entire credit limit, because basically you just have a credit card there that sits at zero and it really serves no purpose. So if you are going to transfer a credit limit to one of your credit cards, I would definitely leave about $5,000 on that other credit card, so you can go on ahead and still have that card open. The purpose here is not to close accounts, is to leave them open and to have at least 3 credit cards with the Navy Federal Credit Union, because you can have up to a limit of $80,000 between all 3 of your credit cards. I hope this video has helped. As you can see, tested and proven, it works. So make sure you subscribe, and thank you for watching.